Hello, dear students. Today I am going to tell you some discussion about your political science class 12th project work. Listen carefully, there must not be any type of doubt while making your project. You have to make clear all the guidelines. Today, once again, I am going to discuss about that the details of the project work. As you know that project work will be implemented for 20 marks. Out of these 20 marks, 10 marks are to be allotted to Viva and 10 marks for your project file, right? Containing 20 pages. 20 pages along with the picture description. And mind that whatsoever picture descriptions you are adding, that must be original, handmade news cuttings. Original news cutting should be there. It will affect your marks. And for class 12th, the evaluation would be done jointly by the internal as well as external examiner. That you know, I told you many times this thing. The project can be individual or pair, but nowadays this pairing is not suggested, right? I'll not suggest that you make your project by pairing due to this coronavirus. Avoid this thing, but and individually moreover you will do better, because whenever you prepare this project in a group, then also you have to prepare your personal project file, and Viva would be personally, right? So whatsoever you have written in the project, that would be asked you personally. You have to prepare the whole one. But then also, if you think that it would be better, the two students can be paired and can do the project work. And while preparing your project, you have to take care one very important thing, that you must not make it too bulky, that you may not be able to understand all the things. The major purpose for this project work, the idea behind this project work is that you will learn more and more, collect more and more, gather more and more information regarding that topic in the depth, right? And whatsoever you have written, that should be very clear to you what you have written. It should not that you have copied and you know nothing, because it you have done very well project work. It is very well presented, decorated, pictures, themes. But when Viva is asked, if you are fail to give the answer, that will spoil your image regarding your project. So, dear students, be careful while making your project, that whatsoever you have written, that is your own, and that's your own, and you have read it carefully. Then outline cover page you have to make, project outline, very outer cover page that you have to given. And for that, uh, please don't write your name on the cover page, right? It is one secret regarding your project. Certificate page, if I did this earlier, please make it correction. Then you have to write certificate page, which is certified to this person. Then you have to acknowledgement page, right? You have to acknowledge yourself whatsoever you are going to do in this particular project. Then index and content, like in my previous video I showed you, you have to make 3 columns: index, then serial number, content, and page number. Then you have to give introduction regarding your project, then next subtopics according to the index, and then you have to write bibliography. Very important. In this bibliography, please don't mention irrelevant name of the books and sites. Sometimes it may happen that whatsoever site you have written, and the examiner, internal as well as external, will ask you, and it may be the site of anything else. It happens in my previous experiences also. Student used to write, and when the question is asked, they are not able to answer it properly. So that also leaves a very bad image regarding your project. और ये भी हो सकता है कि आप प्रोजेक्ट में बहुत अच्छा लिख रहे हो, कहीं से कॉपी कर रहे हो, दैट इज़ ओके, बट you have to go through, only then you will get good marks, good impression, right? And you have to say about your project. Sometime external examiner feel they ask you such type of questions also. What did you feel? Why did you selected this topic? Right? Although I have allotted the topic only for overlapping, right? Then you have to show your interest regarding the topics given. This is also some tips I have given you. This you have to prepare of your interest, check the content is available for the topic, right? Only then start making that topic, otherwise there would be some confusions, complexions, that you have started making a particular topic project, but you are not able to collect information, pictures and other informations regarding that project. So please make sure in the beginning that what you are going to do, rather than the irrelevant topic, rather than other informations कि मेरा फ्रेंड ये कर रहा मैं भी ये करूँगा, या something like that. Okay, then pictures and relevant maps should be used, but to see that whatsoever you are writing in the right hand side related to that picture should be shown in the left hand side of your that project file. Many times it happens whatsoever written picture is not relevant, that also leaves very bad impression. And avoid selecting a very vast topic, because as long you will write at vast, you will write so much, you have to learn also. To try to sum up your project within the limit, but not less than the limit. It's my humble request, it's my suggestion to you, right? So accordingly you have to do, give the description of the picture, map, table included in the project. Very very important. Sometime you write, make table, paste the picture and don't label it, that also leave bad impression. You have to label it, the map for regarding for what, table regarding what, year, mention, source. Very very important, you have to take the source also, so that examiner may know that you have collected from that particular source. And then give the, make the project presentable, mean to say it should be eye catching at once. When examiner opens your file, see, and while watching first, second, third pages only, the examiner must be impressed, so that he or she may award you very good marks. And hardly it will take 5 marks, 5 minutes to view your project, and within these 5 minutes you have to capture the attention of the examiner. It should be so appealing that at once examiner could be forced to give you marks and asked only one or two questions regarding, so that your presentation is so good. But dear students, here I would like to mention that decoration must not be like that कि आप tattoo, cartoon, stickers use that. Your way of writing, highlight the main points, right? The matter written, that should be under, in between you should highlight the major things what you want to show, right? In that major words should be highlighted. Very bulky project is not appreciated, as earlier I mentioned. And very very important, the bibliography must be written very carefully, because when you write the bibliography, earlier also I mentioned that in that don't mention irrelevant things that you haven't consulted. Only then your project would be impressive. Then here I have mentioned some topics regarding your projects: Cold War and non-aligned movement, right? And end of bibliograph, biopolarity, new centers of powers, and South Asia and contemporary world, United Nation and its organization, security in contemporary world, environmental and natural resources, globalization, party and party system, democratic resurgency, social and social movements in India, regional aspirations, and Indian politics trends in the development, and there is an Indian politics trend in the development. So, in this way, dear students, here is regional aspiration and Indian politics trends. As you are seeing that each heading contain different topics, right? So, among that, you have to suggest your topics, right? Like for example, here it is written Cold War and non-aligned movement. So first subheading is there: Alliance of System of Cold War, not NATO and Warsaw Pact, and non-aligned movement. There can be three different topics regarding that. That's why I have mentioned. I'll show you one picture whatsoever I have mentioned here. That is here somewhat okay. I'll put one picture regarding that. It is not clear. In the end, I'll show you this. And like that you may take this topics, right? इसमें दो वन जो फर्स्ट टॉपिक है आपका कोल्ड वार एंड नॉन अलाइन मूवमेंट, इसके लिए मैंने रोल नंबर 1 और 2 रखा हुआ है, और सेकंड जो आपका टॉपिक है दैट इज़ एंड ऑफ बायोपोलैरिटी, इसके लिए रोल नंबर 3 और 4, एंड नेक्स्ट वन दैट इज़ न्यू सेंटर्स ऑफ पावर, फॉर दैट रोल नंबर 5 and 6. Then I can mention here roll number 1 and 2, roll number 3 and 4, and this topic is roll number 5 and 6. Then I have mentioned the South Asia and contemporary world, for that roll number 7 and 8. Then we have United Nation and its organization. For that I have written roll number 9 and 10. Okay. Then our next topic is security in the contemporary world. Here roll number 11 and 12. Roll number 11 and 12. Then globalization I have told you, that is roll number 13 and 14. Globalization roll number 13 and 14. Then party and party system, that is roll number 15 and 16. Then democratic resurgency, roll number 17 and 18. Then social and new issue movement, that I have kept roll number 19 and 20. Sorry, 19 only. Only 19 roll number is here. Then there is next our, that is regional aspirations. That is once again the students, they are not happy with their topics, they can take, and roll number 20 is for regional aspiration. Roll number 20 is for its regional aspiration, 20 and 18. Roll number can take this, and I'll send one picture also in your class group regarding this. Right, in this way you have to select your topics. For selecting topics whatsoever I am telling you, it is regarding this one, that like cold war and non-alignment, इसमें 3 topics है, तो you can select one each. ऐसे एंड ऑफ बायोपोलैरिटी में डिसइंटीग्रेशन ऑफ सोवियत यूनियन है, क्राइसिस इन मिडल ईस्ट, गल्फ वार, अफगानिस्तान, और इसमें आप अरेब स्प्रिंग जो आपका अभी न्यू टॉपिक ऐड हुआ है, तो दैट यू मे टेक, और जहाँ दो को मिक्स करके भी लिख सकते हो। तो लाइक न्यू सेंटर्स ऑफ यूरोपियन पावर है, तो इसमें सिर्फ यूरोपियन यूनियन पे एक पूरा टॉपिक बन जाएगा, एशियन पे बन जाएगा, ब्रिक्स पे बन जाएगा, और इफ़ यू वांट टू मिंगल टू दैट कैन बी डन, बट डोंट राइट ऑल विद इन वन। लाइक न्यू सेंटर्स ऑफ पावर्स में से आप कोई दो दो टॉपिक ले सकते हो, राइट। जैसे इसमें साइनो इंडियन रिलेशन है, चाइना और न्यू सुपर पावर है, इंडिया द राइजिंग सुपर पावर है, इसराइल एज अ न्यू सुपर पावर है। तो 5 टॉपिक्स में से आप किसी 2 या 3 को क्लब टुगेदर, you may club together 2 or 3. Hopefully you have understood. One more example I can give you: Southeast Asia contemporary world, इंडिया एंड इट्स नेबर्स में श्रीलंका हो सकता है, पाकिस्तान, नेपाल, भूटान, एंड वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इंडो पाक रिलेशन, दैट यू मे गेट वेरी गुड। तो आप इन जैसे सार्क अचीवमेंट्स हैं, ठीक है। तो एशिया एंड कंटेम्प्रेरी वर्ल्ड में देखो, सिविल वॉर इन श्रीलंका है, मैंने हाईलाइट किया हुआ है, 1971, ये जो है हमारा लिटे ग्रुप है। तो इनमें से देखो 1 2 3 4 5 6 सब हेडिंग्स हैं। तो 6 सब हेडिंग्स में से आप कोई 2 और 3 सब हेडिंग्स को मैच करके एक प्रोजेक्ट बना सकते हैं। यू मे टेक एनी वन, लाइक सेम देयर इज़ यूनाइटेड नेशन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, इसमें यूनाइटेड नेशन एंड इट्स प्रिंसिपल ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस हैं मेन, और उसमें से आप यूनिसेफ, यूनेस्को, WHO, LO, WTO, राइट, ये हमारा सम मोर ऑर्गन्स एजेंसीज हैं, सिक्योरिटी काउंसिल है इसकी, जनरल असेंबली है। तो रिगार्डिंग दैट यू मे मेक वन प्रोजेक्ट, ठीक है। इसमें से ये अब आप मिनिमम 2 to 3 ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ले सकते हैं। अगर आप 6-7 का इकट्ठा बनाओगे तो इट वुड बी वेरी टफ फॉर लर्निंग पर्पज दैट अर्लियर आई मैंशनड रिगार्डिंग योर बिब्लियोग्राफी। लाइक दिस इज़ वेरी वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक, थ्रेट्स टू ह्यूमन सिक्योरिटी, टेररिज्म ले सकते हो, epidemic and pandemic threats to human security, like nowadays this coronavirus, dengue, like that, issues can be selected for this. And very very important that party and party system, this Jayaprakash Narayan, rise of BJP. In this way you may take like farmers movement, workers movement na. So very very important that regional aspirations, means so area wise, although this topic is not in your syllabus for examination purpose, but very important that Punjab crisis, ऑपरेशन ब्लू स्टार 1984, लाइक हम क्लास में भी समटाइम डिस्कस करते हैं, कश्मीर इशू है ना, करंट प्रिसेप्टिव जो है इसके। तो यू मे क्लब टुगेदर 2 थिंग्स, और इसी में आपका अनंतपुर मता भी आ जाएगा। सम अदर रीजनल एस्पिरेशंस में काफ़ी अच्छे अच्छे टॉपिक्स हैं आपकी बुक में। ये आपका 8th 7th 8th चैप्टर है, इफ़ यू गो थ्रू तो देन यू विल गेट इट। तो रोल नंबर 20 हैव टू डू दिस वन, रीजनल एस्पिरेशन, एंड रोल नंबर 18 दैट इंडियन पॉलिटिक्स। okay, but then also if you face any problem you may call me, accordingly we will discuss and make the final decision. So hopefully dear students you have understood all the topics regarding this. Try to make your project very effective and very we can say appealing, very appealing and eye catching, very important, eye catching. Thank you students, take care.